story title: Dream Big to Achieve Bigger. Lily is a little girl who is kind and cheerful student. But she was weak in studies. Her friends and classmates used to make fun of her. Nonetheless, she was determined to be good in studies and get higher marks in the whole school. Every day, after returning from school, Lily quickly finishes her homework and starts learning with full focus. Her mother understands Lily's aim and supports her in studies. When the exam day arrived, Lily gave her 100%. She was confident, and her classmates mock her once again. But they are shocked when Lily performs well and get the highest marks. Lily's commitment and hard work mute every person who mocked her. Moral of the story: determination, strong will, and focus can help you achieve even the toughest of goals, in spite of ridicule by others.